It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Friday, May 21st. I'm James Spann. Hot weather. Headlines are forecast low 90s by Sunday, mid 90s next week, and most of Alabama will stay dry, and the tropics are heating up a little early this year. Here we go. This is the upper air look, and again, a very high amplitude pattern. A big ridge in the east, a big trough in the west, and we, of course, are under the ridge, and that's going to keep us dry and hot for a while. There's the visible satellite view. Got a field of cumulus clouds in a few spots, but again, the sky mostly sunny statewide. Still in the 80s today, Tuscaloosa 84, Birmingham and Anniston 83. We're looking at upper 80s tomorrow, low 90s by Sunday. There's the watch warning map. Flash flood watches west of the state, parts of eastern Texas, western Louisiana, and some of the adjacent states. Red flag warnings for parts of the Southwest U.S. because of the wildfire danger. Here's the severe weather outlook for today and tonight. Marginal risks well to the west of here. Got a slight risk over parts of Colorado and Nebraska. Tomorrow, a chance of severe storms from West Texas across the western high plains into the upper Midwest. And day 3, which is Sunday, got a risk of severe storms over, again, parts of the northern plain states. That looks a lot like summertime right there. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. You can see the effect of the upper high across the deep south because we are expecting absolutely nothing. No rain for Alabama through Friday of next week. But the tropics, looky here, we've got one low pressure area that's east of Bermuda, and that will likely become a subtropical storm tonight and tomorrow, but very short-lived. It'll be kicked out to sea soon. It will affect Bermuda tomorrow, but then it moves out to the North Atlantic with no threat to the United States. And the system in the western Gulf now with a 60% chance of becoming a brief depression or storm before it moves into the Texas Gulf Coast late tonight. And you can see a well-defined swirl with the visible satellite imagery here. One way or the other, the main impact with this will be heavier rain for parts of Texas and Louisiana. So model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. You got a 591 upper high right on top of us, and the big trough in the western states, and for us the day will be sunny, highs in the upper 80s. Sunday, sunny and hot, low 90s. Monday, sunny and hot, low to mid 90s. Tuesday, good chance we'll be in the middle 90s. The same thing Wednesday, evidence of a little rain just north of here. Thursday, still hot and dry. And a week from today, Friday, May 28th, still got the upper high stretched out across the deep south. And once again, we are rain-free with temperatures above average. Let's go out 10 days, Monday, May 31st. Again, we've got the ridge in place, and again, we are rain-free. Here's the rain for Birmingham. This is off the GFS ensemble, valid between now and the 6th of June. The mean about 1 inch, and again, we're seeing evidence showers could return as we get into early June. And yeah, buddy, here comes the heat. 89 tomorrow. After that, we'll be in the 90s every day through the rest of May. And hot off the presses, the brand new CPC outlook. This is for May 29th through June 4th. Temperatures will stay above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. My next video will be posted here by 6 o'clock Monday morning. You can join us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.